Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. If it's your first time here, thank you for joining me in my little corner of the internet. Today I have a video about skincare where I'm wearing more makeup than I usually do in like my normal videos. I'm really recording this at freaking 11 p.m. at night. Then I work very early in the morning, and I don't know why I'm doing this so late, but I wanted to record this video for you guys. Just talking about some of my skincare products that I had to put on the full face just to record this video. Probably not, but here I am, and I look like, yeah, anyway. So I recorded a couple videos this weekend, didn't end up working out. You guys voted on the poll that those videos are still coming, but one of them is just going to be a voiceover. One of them I'm just going to completely re-record. I was a little bummed because I was ranting a lot. This does relate to this video, which is why I'm telling the story. I was ranting about Sephora, and then the video ended up not working out, but now me and Sephora are on good terms again, so I guess we could go ahead and recommend these products so I can link these products to Sephora again because we're cool now. But anyway, I just wanted to do like a quick skincare video. I suck at doing favorites. I don't like doing favorites. I don't know why. I like watching them. I like knowing what people are using, what they've been liking a lot, but for me, like when I can record them and then I go to edit them, and I just feel like it's like boring and I never end up putting it up. So I just wanted to do like a quick skincare roundup for you guys of products I've recently been trying and loving, and has kind of turned me on to the brand. I'm gonna start with probably my favorite of discovery of like 2020 skincare wise, and that's saying a lot. So these are the new Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm, Makeup Melting and Smoothing. I think that's just a description, but these are the best cleansing balms I've ever used. I never really thought I would find a balm that I liked as much as the Hamish brand, but this tops it all. Their Glow Recipe is cruelty free. So the reason I like this cleansing balm is it comes in like a hefty little jar here, and I finished one jar and I just wanted to show you guys I like this so much because I already finished one jar and it only came out like this year, and this is my second jar. And it comes in like a little sorbet like this. I'm already working through this one, and I like this cleansing balm because it, first of all, smells like actual papaya, like not like fragrance papaya, like actual papaya, and it removes my makeup without making my eyes foggy or making my eyes irritated. I hate when my eyes get irritated and full of like gunk and like foggy vision, and I just have sensitive eyes, so it makes it really uncomfortable for me when cleansing balms make my eyes hurt a lot. So I think this is actually like optimal. Just tested and wanted to try a new cleansing balm and ended up finding one I loved, and it really turned me on to the Glow Recipe brand. I've tried just like the watermelon spray mostly from Glow Recipe previous to this, but this is their hero product that made me a true fan of Glow Recipe and made me order other Glow Recipe products. It has the papaya enzymes in there to softly exfoliate. So good. If you're looking for a good cleansing balm, forget pharmacy, forget Drunk Elephant, forget, I don't know what else is at Sephora, forget all of them. This is the best one there is. And actually I think the Drunk Elephant one sucks. The pharmacy one is more, it's a little too waxy for me. The next product I have here is the Necessaire The Body Serum. So I've tried all the Necessaire products, and this is my, well, actually not everything, all like the body care stuff I've tried basically. And this is like the standout product for me and what made me like really turned on to the brand, I guess. So this is basically a serum for your body. I I actually am completely through with this. I can't even show you, but I wanted to show you in this video because I wanted to tell you guys about products that made me like the brand, because Necessaire was one of those brands I always saw on Instagram. I always saw on like other like YouTubers pages and Instagram people's pages, but when people like bloggers especially post too much about things, I get very weary of the brand. But just looking at the branding, I thought like everything would be really high priced, but actually they're like body lotions are like around $20. This is a body serum and it's $40. I feel like that's pretty fair considering like a serum for your body is like what, like averaging around $20 to like $80. I feel like for the size of all body serums, I've never tried a body serum before this, because I always feel like the body serums are like this small and $110, and this is actually like a full size. You can get through a lot of it, and I think it's pretty fairly priced for what it is. It's a hydrating like serum for your body. It has hyaluronic acid in there, it has niacinamide, it has all the good hydrating ingredients you want for your body. And I feel like I focus so much on like getting good skincare on my face, but not so much on my body, because I'm like spending so much on my face. So this was such a nice treat, and I really think this body serum is kind of like the hero product from Necessaire, and something that made me really like the brand overall. These next two products were gifted to me through Octoly and Saturday Skin. They're a duo waterfall glacier water cream, and then the Yuzu vitamin C sleeping mask. So I am very biased towards Korean moisturizers. I love a good hydrating moisturizer that's gel-like, that has a lot of hydrators in it. Doesn't feel like too heavy on the skin. I prefer gel moisturizers when they're Korean because they're extremely hydrating, but they're also lightweight and it absorbs pretty fast, and this is no different than like the average like hydrating Korean moisturizers. But like Glow Recipe, Saturday Skin is like a Korean brand that is cruelty free, and that's pretty hard to come by in my opinion to like Saturday Skin's products. And this is probably my favorite of the two. I feel like this is a really unique product. This is their Yuzu C sleeping mask. So I don't think you necessarily have to have more than like one vitamin C product per day, but this has Yuzu in it, and if you're Korean, this smells just like yujacha, which is yuzu tea, literally translated. It kind of reminds me of my childhood, so that's firstly why I like it, which is funny because I used to hate this tea when my mom used to make me drink it. But it was like a healthy, like, was it healthy though? Because it was really sweet. I don't know. But point being, it really reminds me of my childhood, and it has the CHA7 complex in here as well as retinol, vitamin C, and I mean, I'm a dry person, so I like sleeping masks. This is, I can't say that it's as hydrating as other sleeping masks that I've used, but I do like the vitamin C in here. I do like the retinol. I do like the all brightening aspect of this sleeping mask. But it absorbs like pretty fast. Like at first it's like really intimidating because there's like bits of yuzu and stuff in there, but then after it like kind of like you give it a second, it dries down completely. Like it's just another layer of your skin. It's pretty incredible. I really like both of these products. And Saturday Skin also let me know that their products will be marked, some of their products will be marked 40% off during November 23rd through November 30th at Sephora during their Cyber Monday sale, I believe. Yeah, so I got like details about sales at Sephora from them. So thank you so much, Saturday Skin, for sending these to me. I've really been enjoying it. I love Korean skincare, and I love that I can use these in my skincare routine, and they're cruelty free, so love that. The next product. Okay, so this is the small version of the Olaplex number 3 hair perfector. So Olaplex is like the only only company that has a patented technology to actually like bind the bond in your hair and like the split ends, or so they say. I don't really know, but I bought this in a gift set literally last year. They brought it back this year, so if you're trying to get that, they do have that at Sephora again. I didn't really use it that much because my hair was just naturally like the way it was, and I didn't really have like problems with it being unhealthy. My hair is just very tangly and very coarse and thick. So yeah, I didn't really like care too much about using this from the set, but then I got like little baby lights. You can't see it now because my hair is up, but I got little like lightened up bits up in front of my face and like underneath my hair, and really felt the effects of like that bleach. So I went ahead and tried this literally for the first time, and I don't know why I've been sleeping on it. I've literally had this in my like party, but I actually really do like this. I noticed a difference in my hair right away. I'm too lazy to let it sit for like the full amount of time, and it still works. I just put it in my damp hair in the shower and wash it out, and it still does a really good job. But if you like left it on towel, dried like damp hair, and then like actually let it do its thing for like 15 minutes like you're supposed to, it would probably work even better. But I'm not getting out of the shower and getting back in the shower, so yeah, Olaplex hero product, duh. I'm very late to the bandwagon, and I really like this product, so yeah. I just have a few more products here to talk about. It's been a good year for like new skincare products, honestly. I just got this new Lash Serum. I feel like this is gonna trigger some people because it's not like the cheapest product in the world. This is a new Lash Serum. You obviously can't tell right now, I have pretty heavy makeup on. But I really feel like this has been making a difference for my eyelashes. I never really had bad lashes, but I do feel like, and from just like curling my eyelashes every day, I don't feel like my lashes are like as like long and thick as they used to be, and I feel like this hasn't made it like crazy, like way longer than I've ever had it, but I feel like it's brought them back to like their original peak health, and I really have been noticing a difference more than I did with Grande Lash. And I kind of don't like Grande Lash because this also is kind of like similar to the Glow Recipe, and I have really sensitive eyes. This doesn't irritate my eyes like the Grande Lash does. It makes me really itchy. So I will be continuing to use this, and like I've been looking forward to using this every single night. And new lash is not overhyped, I guess. So the next product I have here is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. So all of these products, you know, like I might have tried like one or two things from the brand before and might have not been so impressed, but then like these products I'm mentioning really impressed me. So the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm, I love this. I have been trying to replace my Laneige sleeping mask for like so long, and I finally found the replacement. I wanted to get this originally right when it came out during the first Sephora sale, but then it sold out, and then it got really popular, and then it kind of made me not want it because it got so popular. And when things get really popular, I get really like skeptical and like I don't trust people, so I didn't think maybe it'd be as good, but I finally got my hands on it, and it is very good, and I'm really impressed by this Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. It's like very close in consistency as the Laneige. I feel like it's slightly a bit tackier, but I tried the Bite Beauty, the sleeping mask. It was just like too grippy for me, and it didn't like move around like a lip butter does. I've tried this other lip mask from That I Met You. I actually do like that one, but it's too liquidy for like it to be like a lip mask in my opinion. Like I like this because it stays put on at night and it actually helps my lips to feel hydrated. I hate Summer Fridays. Stop doing this aluminum packaging. Like, I'm gonna poke a hole through this and it's gonna just fall apart and it's gonna get gross and grimy, because that's what happened with their sleeping mask. It just kind of fell apart for me, but I do really like this product from Summer Fridays and do recommend it. I feel like it's one of their hero products. It's not that crazy. It's not that crazy to be liking new things every single year, but I try sunscreen like it's water. I love sunscreen. I love trying new sunscreens. The only problem is I expect a lot out of my sunscreens. It's a zinc sunscreen that completely goes away on my skin and doesn't get weird and chalky or pilly or just like weird. It leaves a really nice sheen on your skin, and I've really been liking the sunscreen, which made me want to try new things from Biossance. And hint, I've already gotten some products thanks to Octoly, and that I wanted to include in this video, but I haven't tried it yet, so I will be making a video on that in the future. But yeah, so those are all the products that made me really like the brands of 2020. I really like all these brands, and I'm really glad to have found them in 2020 and look forward to using more products from them because I liked these products so much. But yeah, hope you guys like this video format. I tried to like do a little bit something different that I could include into my videos that wasn't so much like me applying skincare, more so like me talking about skincare. If you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and also my mic probably isn't sounding that great right now because I'm not using my normal mic. Just bear with me, I'm trying to get it to work. But yeah, I went up on the tangent instead of saying goodbye. So yeah, goodbye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!